Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to connect TradingView with Binance. First, ensure you have an active Binance account and a paid TradingView subscription, as this feature is not available with the free plan. This integration allows you to execute trades directly from your TradingView charts, providing a seamless and efficient trading experience. It's a powerful way to combine advanced charting with direct market access. To begin, open TradingView and locate the trading panel at the bottom of your screen. From the list of available brokers, select Binance. Click the Connect button, and you will be prompted to log into your Binance account. This step securely links your accounts, granting TradingView permission to send trading orders on your behalf. It's a straightforward process, taking only a few moments. Once redirected to Binance, you'll need to create an API key. Go to your Binance account's API management section. Generate a new API key, ensuring you enable spot and margin trading permissions. For enhanced security, it's highly recommended to restrict IP access to only TradingView's IP addresses, which can be found in their documentation. This ensures only authorized connections can use your API key. After generating your API key and secret on Binance, return to TradingView and input these credentials into the designated fields. Once entered, confirm the connection. Your trading panel should now display your Binance account balance and open positions. You can now place buy or sell orders directly from your charts, managing your trades with precision and efficiency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.